I had an idea. I wanted to challenge every member for the A&P crew in a game of basketball. If they win, they get to give away a PC to their community. Our first challenge is Davis, and if you don't know who Davis is, he's actually one of the founding members of the A&P crew and also a huge basketball fan. He's making his return to streaming, so we thought, why not build him a custom one-on-one gaming PC? So we built it, we flew out to Atlanta, and we set the stage to challenge our first member of the A&P crew to a game of basketball.
Anyway, today's stream is gonna be very, very exciting. Before y'all ask, I don't know what this is, okay? My cameraman and assistant just said, don't touch it. I'm not gonna touch it, okay?
What's up?
How you doing? I haven't seen you in a
man?
minute. What's going on?
Been a hot minute. How you been?
I've been pretty good. How are you?
You didn't touch that, did you?
No, I did. Well, I touched it, but I didn't I barely touched it. I just barely touched it.
All right, I'm just making sure.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
Okay.
But how you been?
I've been very good. I know my assistant told me not to touch it. I don't know if it's an animal in there or not, but seeing your face, I feel like I might know what it is now.
You have an idea what it is?
Okay.
Yeah, how you doing? What's going on, man?
What's going on with you? How you feeling?
Good, man. We've been planning this out for you.
I'm very, very excited.
I'm excited to see this.
I don't know a lot of details. They've been keeping everything from me, so I'm excited to see.
I'm glad, because that's what we've been trying to do is keep it a secret for
Okay.
you, for sure. So
Okay.
yeah, we did a custom PC for you.
Really?
Remember a long time ago we talked about it up in New York?
Oh, so like last summer we talked about this.
Well, it was a while ago.
Yeah.
When we did the whole penthouse thing, whatever.
Uh-huh.
And, I wanted to do a custom one-on-one PC for you especially.
Uh-huh.
And we got some good ideas on the artwork. And
Okay.
honestly, it looks pretty fire.
Okay, W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
I gotta show you it. It's sick. Ooh,
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay.
There's
Okay.
another surprise too afterwards.
Really?
Another one.
Okay.
For you.
All right.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Yo, what? Oh my God.
We heard you like Spider-Man, so we gotta get some Spider-Man artwork in there.
Oh my gosh. Yo, this is ridiculous. Yo, chat, do you see this? Do you see this?
See the video in the middle?
Yo, look at the video I got in the middle. Now they got me playing overseas in the middle. That is crazy.
See the back of it? There's more artwork that goes all the way around. I'll pull off the
Oh my gosh. And do you see my PC right now? You see Rakai?
That one, yeah, we did that one.
Rakai, it's been a great PC. Rakai blew it up, and there's no show the bottom of my PC over there. Rakai blew it up. Rakai did that. So yeah, that's why I'm missing
Agents did that too. Was it Caleb? I think Caleb and them were messing around. The camera fell on top. Yeah,
Yes.
Don't worry. But we gotta change.
But yeah, thank you so much. My PC was on 1 HP because of Rakai. Thank you so much. You got the logo up top.
Yep.
This is so amazing, chat.
means
W's
possible
in the
top.
chat. Now this is incredible. Thank you so much.
Oh, man. Well,
This is
the other
amazing.
thing is,
Okay.
I'm down to give away a PC to your chat today.
Today. Chat, hold on. Lock it in. Wait, chat. Free PC giveaway for you. Hold on. Free PC giveaway for somebody in chat right now. Wait a minute. Okay.
But I feel like we gotta do something though.
Okay.
You down?
Yes. What do you want to do?
You want a 1v1 basketball?
Right now?
Today.
For a PC.
For a PC.
Lock it in, chat. Lock it in. Lock it in, chat. Lock it in. Chat, I'm locking in for you guys right now. 1v1, so if I win,
1v1.
my chat gets a PC.
And don't worry, I'm 40 years old, bro, so you good.
You kind of tall. You kind of tall.
You got me.
So if I win right now, I get to give away a PC to my chat.
Another PC. So this is yours.
This is crazy. No, show this one more time. This is absolutely insane. They got my highlights. This is insane. I am.
This is what
like.
my favorite always is.
This is insane.
Came out sick.
Thank you so much, man. Shout out PowerGPU in the chat. W PowerGPU. I'm gonna have to beat this man in a one-on-one right now to so you wanna meet at the AMP house?
Yeah, we'll do it. Just let me know. We'll
let's do it. Let's do it right now. I don't even think I need to put on real shoes. Chat, do I put on real shoes or no?
You're playing with their PC though.
I'm not playing. I'm gonna win, gang. I'm a professional basketball player. Let's run it. For a PC?
Yeah.
For my chat?
Yep,
okay.
for your chat.
Chat, is for you.
Okay.
Oh yeah, what are your rules?
I just take everything back. Yeah. Yeah. I know you're not finna post with me. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Let me talk to chat real quick. Let me talk to chat. Let me lock in with chat. Chat, you have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to worry about. Don't worry, chat. Do not worry.
Chat said like Nate Robinson on Jokic.
Do not worry at all. We were worrying.
You was in there when I started warning. Right?
That is true.
We changing the rules up a little bit?
No, we good. 4. Game 11. Two. I got you, chat. I'm locked in.
Chat said three dribbles or GG.
No, we are good. Chat, you have to believe.
How many points do you think you could average professionally? Probably a lot, right?
Nah, even worry. I'm not even worried.
Oh. 7-2.
7-2. Oh, hell no. Let me talk to chat. Hold on.
It said goodbye PC. Here.
Oh, hell no. He said, I don't play. You're washed. Hang the towel up. Let's do it. All right. Nah, you need me to lock in. 5'8". Not 5. Chat. I have to lock in now. It's 5 to 9. He's hitting like BS.
I'm not gonna jump first.
6. I'm hit these 2-2s, chat. We going home with a new PC. And he not guarding me too? 9 up. For you, chat. This is for you. He gonna play up a little bit now. Chat, I would never let you down. Good game. Good game.
Good game.
I appreciate it.
All right. Bro, that was
Yeah, that's a lot of cardio, right? And the sun right here too?
the elevation.
Yeah, elevation, sun.
Black court, bro.
Yeah. You got black tees on?
It was a good game, though.
Thank you, good game. You was hitting a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't think you was.
That always happens every time I tell people to play ball. Yeah. All right, so we'll give away the PC on your chat.
Uh-huh.
I guess whenever you let me know, we'll do like a quick.
Okay, cool. We do it today?
Yeah.
Oh,
on
fire.
stream. So whenever you're getting
Cool,
ready.
cool. Chat, we're gonna do that as the very last thing of the stream today. We're gonna grab some food with King and do it. Thank you so much. W PowerGPU, GPU, and W Jesse, thank you so much.
Good playing, man. All
Good games, chat. I'll win y'all on PCWs in the chat.
Thanks to Intel for allowing us to build this amazing PC for Davis and even giving one back to his community. Also, a huge shout out to Davis and his team for putting time aside for us.